Hey, how's it going, guys? So in today's video, I'm gonna do a quick little walk around of my very first 500 gallon.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So a little bit of quick history on this build. I built it for Soul Q Smokehouse out of Paris, California. They are an existing customer of mine. I previously built them a Baja 250, which they've had over the last year, and their business has already outgrown the 250 gallon. So they went ahead and had me build them this 500 gallon trailer rig. All right, so one of the first details I'd like to touch on real quick, about halfway through the build, the owner contacted me and said he wanted to add a Santa Maria to the trailer. So I went ahead and built this 24 by 36 inch Santa Maria along with the onboard wood storage. All right, so starting out on the cook chamber, just like all of our previous builds, all of our doors are on bearings. As you can see, our counterweight and our door hinges are all a one-piece unit, which makes it to where you can open this thing with a couple fingers. Everything is perfectly balanced. Moving to the inside, we have our 1/4 inch thick, all laser cut slide out grills. We got tell-true thermometers throughout. All right, so one of the features on this pit is our new internal baffle design. The handle is the direction of the baffle, so this would be closed and this would be open. So moving forward on all of our 250 and 500 gallon units, this is gonna be our new system moving forward. All right, so moving around to our firebox, as you can see, it is also on bearings. It has a very similar air intake design as all of our old designs. Now you can see our fire door is inverted, so the insulation is on the outside of the door as opposed to the inside of the door as our old fireboxes. We have our new 45-degree angles. It still has 2 inches of ceramic fiber blanket insulation inside. And now we have our new proprietary door latching system, which is available on our 250 gallons as well as all of our fully insulated backyard models. And just like before, you can see we still have our 3/8 thick, fully round internal firebox chamber. All right, so last but not least, moving on to the trailer. So the standard features of the trailer is 3x6 box tubing, all LED lighting, and gloss black paint. The 500 gallon is now up on our website, so you can visit www.deepcreekmetalworks.com. There you can see pricing and all the standard features. We're on Instagram, and you can email me at deepcreeksmokers@gmail.com if you're interested. As always, we are taking deposits. I hope everybody has a good one, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.